What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and yes, I'm coming back at you all with another news update about a Mustang. This one I think was pretty cool. So, Wesley Ryan of San Antonio, Texas, recently just got back his prized possession 93 Mustang Fox body. Now, according to the news article, he sold the car in 2002 to help pay for his wife's ovarian cancer treatment. So basically, he sold the car for a very noble cause. I can respect that. Honestly, that's the only reason, someone like me, that's why I would consider getting rid of my Mustang. Because quite frankly, otherwise, I can't see getting rid of my car. But that was pretty noble of him. So last year, in 2018, his kids actually decided to buy the car back. It doesn't say if they bought it from the people they sold it to or what. But anyway, decided to buy the car back and give it to him as a gift. Well, it sounds like the car kind of sat idle for a little while. Didn't really get driven, didn't get restored. So Ford decided to go ahead and give back to Mr. Ryan. They took the car and fully restored it. And Hennessy Performance also got involved. So the car actually received not only a full restoration, but it received a Coyote swap. So it's, according to the article, it's a 2018 Coyote motor, which is, the same motor as this, a Gen 3 Coyote. Received new suspension, new drivetrain, and it looks to me like they did change some other items with the car. Looks like it got a new set of wheels. Back wheels look pretty wide, which for a Fox body to handle that motor, that sounds pretty amazing. So the name of the car is Christine. It says it was his pride and joy. After his wife Laura was diagnosed with cancer, he decided to sell the car to alleviate financial concerns. So yes, 17 years later, they decided to buy the car back. It says here that the restoration was also valued at $200,000 and would take anywhere between 500 to 600 man-hours. So that's pretty amazing that they just gave this to the man for free. That is awesome. Ford, I mean, if you ever need a charitable cause, I'm not nearly in as much need. I still own my car, but if you ever wanted to give me a $200,000 Coyote swap Fox body, hit your boy up. But yes, of course I've got some pictures of the car as well, some video, and it looked like it was pretty touching when they gave this man his car back. Believe me, I would be pretty touched too, because that's a Mustang is your baby, and you have a car for that long, and you really are in love with the car. I can understand what that's like. It's like, I love my car a lot. I would hate to have to sell it. I mean, that's one of the few reasons I think I would actually want to get rid of my car, although hopefully no one in my immediate family develops cancer. It's amazing, though. I also said his wife is cancer-free, so that's good. I'm so happy to hear that. Sounds like he'll enjoy this car for years to come, and I hope that he passes the car down to his kids, because right there, that's a car now with a very great story. It's been in the family, at least, for years. Now that it's back. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about all of that. What do you all think about this guy getting his prized Fox body back? Because to me, that's pretty amazing that they found the exact car after all those years. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. And like I said, Ford, you want to do something like that with me, I don't have a charitable cause, but, I got my car over here. It's begging for some love. But anyway, take care, have a good day.
Say hello, man. I dare you to keep this from me.